Namaskar. Today I am going to share my problem that I faced during my classroom teaching with you everyone. My problem is while teaching I used to give some assignment to my students, but many of them do not complete the assignments. They give very less time for doing their assignment. So I decided to find out the solution of the problem. For this, I want to conduct an action research on the topic enhancing students' engagement in uh, assignment work of science and technology subject by classroom intervention. Action research is a collaborative and participatory method of research which is conducted to find the solution of immediate problem faced in certain context. Here, the context is classroom teaching, and the problem faced is not engaged in assignment work by students. So, to solve this, teacher myself is researcher, and my research issue is in students are not engaged in assignment of science and technology subject. There are some major significances of conducting action research. One of them is find the solution of the problem faced. Here, problem is students are less engaged in assignment works. By these action research, I am trying to find the factors behind the less engagement and the possible solution of the problem. Moreover, action research also helps to describe the something on with the basis of evidence, with the basis of data. It gives the certain data by which I can explain why students are very less active in doing their work. Either that may be due to the my own side or school sides or guardian sides or their own side, their student sides. Similarly, action research helps to enhance the that learning outcomes that getting learning outcomes or achieving learning outcomes rate is very low. We can enhance it age students are not much engaged in assignment works. That means they may not have understood the concept of the teaching learning or of the content. So after finding the solution, they will engage more in their assignment work, which also enhance their to achieve their learning outcomes. Similarly, all these help in the professional development of the teacher. So action research uh, helps in enhance the professionality or professional development. Action research is cyclic process. It has certain stages. It is collaborative and participatory method. As my problem is about the students' engagement in their assignment work, all my students will participate in the research and try, and we combinedly try to find out the solution. It is context specific. My context is about my classroom problem. We do not go beyond the classroom situation and other the barriers that are hindering for assignment work. Similarly, reflection is one of the major part of the action research. It is reflective process. After completing some stages or some action, we reflect whether the action is result oriented or not. Another characteristics of action research is change oriented. We need to work on to find the changes in our problem, that is progressive change, by finding out the solution. Action research is completed in four stages. The first one is plan. Here, a problem is identified and plan is prepared for to find the solution of that problem. After that, another step is action. Act. Here, the plan is implemented. Then, third one is observe. Here, data is collected after the implementation plan. In from action. Data is collected, that is observed station. The fourth one is data is analyzed, that is reflect stage, and evaluation is done whether the plan becomes successful or not. Here in plan stage, I will clarify my problem and make plan to find the solution, that measure the activities, when to conduct, what to conduct. These all included in plan stages. Then second, in action, I will implement the whatever plan is made. There, whether when is classroom discussed written in the plan, I will discuss on that day is action. That guardian meeting, discussion, developing rubrics is all falls on this action stage. Then observe, I will collect the data during the action plan, that whatever students have told during their discussion, what that guardian has told in the guardian meeting, I will make a note of that. That is the observe stages. And after data is collected, I will analyze it, that is reflect stage, and conclude, may reach to a certain conclusion. After that conclusion, I will analyze it again whether my solves problem is solved or not. If not, then again I have to replan it and cycle goes on. So by this whole process, I am trying to find out the solution of the problem that I have faced in my classroom. My students are not engaged so much in this assessment work. So, action research is one of the best research method by which we can find out the solution that we have faced the problem during our action, during our class teaching learning process. So this is for enhancement of teaching learning process. Thank you everyone.